Look on Nation Boss. Make regular man there start tell him suck your mother and beer thing. But think them a start should them buy one cowboy hat. And the dog just then shock and can't believe. But you know what caused that, brother? Mix with dog, you rise with flea. I am yet to lose half of one proverbs. I don't have a different heart. I don't know if TikTok make you docile. You think none of them could batty boy or buy one cowboy hat could ramp with me? No way, no time at all. But me alright with them because I now put myself in a no position for none of them pussy I feel like them can style me. I'm mad. No point in time. But me no sorry for no. Me can't blame the youth that we are style Nation Boss either. And Nation Boss go up and fill them ground. When him should have stay up here so, I make them boy there forget plane ticket if come see him. When I do over TikTok, I be your app, bad man, app, rich man. App, them are up over there, you know. TikTok coming like bun buckler and monopoly. Nothing real over that dull cloth. Most of them TikTok are boy. Them bow in a so much ways, it not funny. No morals, no over TikTok. TikTok a battlefield. Dog, name dog. Matter of fact, if you apologize to dog, dog stop name dog. I'd be searching alone and name dog now. A people and name people.